Get this started. Cheers. My name is Greg John. You'll call me GJ, but this is what's going to be Greg John's or GJ's Clubhouse. Starting my YouTube channel, and it's basically going to be a little bit of everything. I'm a just over 50-year-old guy, retired, and looking to do whatever else comes in my life. Had a myriad of interests, and you can see there's motorcycles, woodworking tools. There's a welder, just finished building this garage and getting it all set up. So some of this is going to be getting all my projects ready, getting the garage set up, and building what goes in here. Worked on some projects in here already. You can see the floor, epoxy, metallic epoxy floor. Not the best time of my life. They're not as easy as they make it look on all these YouTube channels. You look at them and they're like, you got this. Well, you got it, but it's going to come with some trials and tribulations. Did some concrete countertops up above us here. So this channel is going to be a little bit of everything. Like I said, we're going to be working on motorcycles. We're going to be doing some welding, doing some woodworking, building cabinets, whatever else comes my way. And, if I can't fix it, I'll break it and I'll make it so that no one else can fix it. But I think one of the things I like to say is build it, break it, fix it. So those are the three things we're going to be doing here. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. Let me know what we could do to improve it, what would make it better, sound quality, video quality, projects. If you have an idea on something that I'm doing wrong or should be doing a different way, let me know. There's a million different ways to flatten a board. There's a million different ways to change seals in a fork, And so in coming up with this channel, I had to think about what do I have. I got my YouTube starter kit for a middle-aged man. I got my flat-brimmed hat, glasses. Of course, you got to have a sleeve tattoo, some plaid, and a beverage of choice. So I hope you enjoy the ride with me. And so let's see where this takes us. Hope you enjoy it. And again, we'll see you at the next one. Thank you.